Mississippi, June 20, 2023. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Chris Grace for granting me the opportunity to share his incredible video with all of you. In this captivating footage, Chris has captured the devastating aftermath caused by a powerful tornado, which tore through Moss Point on Monday afternoon, leaving a path of destruction and devastation in its wake. The twister unleashed its fury upon the Mississippi coast city, causing severe damage to businesses lining Main Street and leaving countless homes in ruins. The scale of destruction was so significant that residents in the vicinity of East Bayou Avenue have likened it to the aftermath of the catastrophic Hurricane Katrina in 2005. Fortunately, there were no reports of any major injuries, with only minor incidents recorded, according to local authorities. Eyewitnesses have bravely recounted their terrifying experiences during the tornado's rampage. Buildings crumbled, roofs were ripped off, and the atmosphere was filled with chaos and panic for what seemed like an eternity, lasting approximately 45 seconds. In the midst of the turmoil, acts of heroism and quick thinking allowed individuals to seek shelter and ensure their safety. The arrival of first responders proved to be a ray of hope, as they valiantly rescued those trapped in perilous situations. The destruction caused by the tornado was not confined to physical structures alone. It extended beyond the tangible, striking at the heart of the community's cultural heritage. Historical landmarks, including the cherished First Missionary Baptist Church, were reduced to rubble, shattering the spirits of the predominantly African American community. These deeply rooted symbols of history and faith, some of which stood for over a century, now lie in ruins, leaving a profound void in the community's identity. The aftermath of the tornado also wreaked havoc in the East Bayou Avenue neighborhood. Nearly all the homes lining the street succumbed to the tornado's wrath, leaving behind a scene of unimaginable devastation. The once familiar landscape now lies strewn with debris, fallen trees, and tangled power lines. The affected residents, now faced with the arduous task of picking up the pieces, are grappling with the emotional toll of losing their homes and possessions. It is a painful and uncertain journey towards recovery, but the resilient spirit of the community will undoubtedly prevail. Amidst the tales of loss and despair, stories of hope and resilience have emerged. Community members have banded together, offering support and comfort to their neighbors in their time of need. Volunteers and organizations have mobilized to provide essential aid, including food, water, and shelter, to those displaced by the storms. The unity and compassion displayed by the Moss Point community in the face of such adversity serve as a testament to the unwavering human spirit. Efforts to restore normalcy and rebuild have already commenced. Local authorities, alongside dedicated emergency crews, are working tirelessly to clear debris, restore essential services, and repair damaged infrastructure. The road to recovery may be long and arduous, but the unwavering determination to rebuild a stronger and more resilient Moss Point will serve as a beacon of hope for all. As the affected community navigates the challenges of rebuilding, support from neighboring communities and compassionate individuals from far and wide becomes crucial. Their contributions in terms of resources, time, and expertise will play a vital role in helping Moss Point heal and restore what was lost. The road to recovery will not be easy, but with unwavering determination and collective support, Moss Point will rise again. Together, the community will rebuild homes, restore landmarks, and create a future that honors the past while embracing the resilience that lies within. Thanks for watching the channel. World is dangerous. See you in the next video.